guys, we're back from that four-wheeler video that I jumped the tabletop, and well, we got new upgrades on my dirt bike, and so the first one is new handlebars. I'll talk about that in a little bit after we show you the other ones, and then we got new stickers for the front, the sides, both sides. So the other side too has them, and then the other side has this too. And then these were already on 3 videos ago. I put them on, and so we have new tires.
What kind of tires are those, bud?
Dunlop's tires. And we have a new chain, and we have a new sprocket. The sprocket that I put on by myself. And new front tire. And so from our last video, but the last time we went to Morelands, the one that I got the whole shot on the gate, we didn't film. We weren't filming it because my grandpa's phone was dead, and I crashed on the second moto. The first moto I got 4th, but the first lap, I didn't even get a lap in on the second moto, and I was in 1st, and I went over this roller, but the flagman was on the track in my line, so I was either hit him or hit the hay bale, so I chose the hay bale. And the day before my birthday, I got an ambulance, my first ambulance ride, and so we went to Sparrow Hospital, an hour and a half away from the Morelands track, and I had to get strapped on a board, and so it turns out I had a concussion, so I had to wait to ride my bike for 2 weeks, and I bent my handlebars, and we got new ones on, but I bent my handlebars. Let me go get those. So this part right here's kind of a little bent. It was right here. And we put new ones on, and the doctors said to us if he was wearing a helmet, which I was, I'm going to need a new helmet, because I guess if you crash once hard, you have to buy a new helmet. So we bought a new helmet that matches my bike. It's a 6D helmet, orange, white, and black and gray. This one's gonna be our race one, but so it's really protective. It has 2 shells, and like where you put your head, if you crash, you can move your head and the sides come out, which on my other helmet when I crash with, the sides don't pop out. And we're gonna be at Redbud at the 30th of June, Wednesday 30th June, through the 4th of July, and it's the Pros Nationals at Redbud. I'm gonna be racing after the pros every day and practicing, and we're gonna get to see the pros race. Hopefully it's probably gonna be fun and packed, but maybe you can see me in real life and get tickets if you already didn't get tickets. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and turn that bell on. See you guys in the next video. Bye.